Today, we will listen to a short English composition called
At the dentist. The dentist is a doctor who takes care of our teeth. People visit the dentist to check their teeth and keep their mouths healthy. At the dental clinic, there is a special chair where patients sit during the examination. The dentist uses small tools and bright lights to look carefully at the teeth. The dentist checks if the teeth are clean and healthy. If there is a problem, the dentist explains what needs to be done. Sometimes the dentist cleans the teeth or fixes a cavity. Dentists also teach patients how to take care of their teeth at home. They explain the importance of brushing teeth twice a day and using dental floss. Many children feel a little nervous before a dental visit, but dentists try to be kind and gentle. They help children feel calm and comfortable. In my opinion, visiting the dentist is very important because healthy teeth help us eat, speak, and smile with confidence.